Chapter number 10, Urbanization. Urbanization. What is urbanization? Urbanization means the increase in the proportion of the world's population who live in cities. Now, how does urbanization take place? Urbanization takes place when in a village, industrial area grows up, or you have a factory that grows up. People come to live in the village because of the different facilities that are provided. Okay, and so more and more people migrate to a village, and thus the population of the village increases, thus changing it or transforming it into an urban area. So according to the 1961 census of India, it has been decided that in order to call the area as urban area, the region must have the following criteria. First thing is, more than 75% of the male working population should be engaged in non-agricultural occupations. Means they should be engaged in either secondary or tertiary and quaternary occupations. The second criteria is that the population of the settlement should be more than 5,000. And the third criteria is that the population density of the settlement should be more than 400 persons per square kilometer. Reasons for urbanization. The first reason for urbanization is industrialization. As the development and concentration of industries in a region is a factor which contributes largely to urbanization. When industries grow up in a region, people get attracted to these regions, and with the hope of having good facilities and a chance of employment, migrate to such areas. Thus, the region increases in population. The next reason for urbanization is trade. Now, a place in a region is sometimes favorable in terms of transport, loading, unloading, and storage of goods. And this can lead to the development of trade and the other related services. Trade is buying and selling of goods. Now, other related services like businesses, banks, credit societies, etc. also grow in that particular region, thus giving rise to more population getting attracted towards such a region. The next reason for urbanization is mechanization and technology. We can see that a lot of advantages of mechanization and technology in many fields. So, both are helpful to urbanization too. Now we see that in agriculture, many machines are being used. So therefore, once machines start using, in rural areas, agriculture is done with the help of machines on a large scale. Okay, so the manpower that is employed for agriculture need to find other jobs. And so, the people who were into farming have to go and search for employment. Thus, these people migrate to different places in order to search for job, thus giving rise to urban population. The next reason for urbanization is transport and communication. Now, in regions where transport facilities like roads and railways develop, urbanization takes place. Also, migration is another factor which adds to urbanization. In fact, it is a major factor which affects urbanization. Migration can be either short-term, long-term, or even permanent. So, migration occurs from rural areas to rural area, or from rural area to urban area, or from urban area to urban area. People migrate to different places in order to get employment, or also for higher standard of life. Let us see what are the effects of urbanization. So there are also positive effects of urbanization as well as negative effects of urbanization. Let us first see what are the positive effects of urbanization or advantages of urbanization. The first advantage is social harmony. So, because there is an increase in secondary, tertiary and quaternary occupations with urbanization, these areas grow rapidly, and therefore there is an exchange of cultural and social ideas. Thus, people from different backgrounds of life come to live together in cities. Thus, this creates social harmony. Modernization is the next advantage of urbanization. In cities, people from different areas migrate. Thus, people with different intellectual levels, skills, knowledge, wisdom exchange their ideas easily. Thus, there is an upgradation of knowledge and literature. So therefore, we can see that the projects which are related to industries and business get more and more ideas, and therefore urban settlements get an advantage of new ideas and updated technology. Thus, it improves the area and due to modernization. The next advantage of urbanization is amenities and facilities. Due to urbanization, various amenities and facilities develop in urban area, such as transportational services, communication, educational services, health services, etc. All these facilities and amenities are provided due to development of the area. The disadvantages of urbanization. So the disadvantages are also the problems of urbanization. The first being slums. Now, because of urbanization, the population in cities increases. Now, people who migrate from villages and come to urban area in search of employment are unable to pay the rent of the houses, and therefore they make illegal constructions and start staying in such small areas, which is known as slums. Now, such people build temporary houses, or you can call them as semi-structured houses in open spaces, where these houses are mostly illegal and they lack the basic facilities. Also, the roads are narrow, there aren't proper sanitation facilities, and as people move from the villages to the urban area, the slums keep on increasing uncontrollably. Therefore, it gives rise to social as well as health related issues. Another disadvantage of urbanization is traffic jams. As cities grow, people start moving towards in the outskirts and suburbs of the city. Therefore, in order to travel for work, people have to commute from the suburbs to the center. Thus, it leads to traffic on the road because the number of private vehicles increase. The next disadvantage of urbanization is pollution. Pollution, in fact, is a major problem in the cities. It adversely affects the urban life. Due to urbanization, there is air pollution, water pollution, as well as noise pollution. You can clearly see air pollution in the area because there is lack of visibility. The last disadvantage of urbanization is crime. Now, people who have migrated from villages to urban areas do not always find the desired employment, and therefore they look for means to earn money through illegal ways. Now, this leads to increase in crime rate of the cities. So thefts, burglaries, scuffles, and murders are the crimes that usually take place in cities. And therefore, this causes a serious law and order issue, and it brings tremendous pressure on the police and the judicial system. Other than these problems of urbanization, there are other problems also, like enormous increase in land prices, then struggles between various groups, then etc. All of this can create tension in the cities and therefore can disturb the social harmony of the cities. So with this, we have finished the revision of all the chapters of your second unit test portion that you have for geography. So you are requested that you please study all the notes that are given to you and be ready for your exams. You need to learn all the answers. As you know, you are very well aware that you will not have an MCQ type paper, but you will have a full-fledged paper. So see that you study well and do well in your exams. Be prepared. Also see that you are present for all your papers. Please do not be absent. Please see that you start your paper well in advance at the given time. In your geography paper, you will also have map reading. So please see that you watch the videos carefully and you practice map reading as well. Okay. Also, you will also have map reading and diagrams. So please map marking and diagrams. So please practice the same as well. So take care and all the best for your exams.